This is marinated pork belly. I'm gonna make it humba humba. Humba 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 humba. It's so good. And there is a wire in there. All the wires is coming out. All you have to do is push it in the wall to bring it back in because it's coming out. That's how comfortable it is. Good morning, guys. Huh? Good morning.
Morning, man.
I love you.
Love you too.
Good morning. You're in daddy's feet. Good morning. You're in daddy's feet, baby. You're in daddy's feet. She's a daddy's girl, guys. She love her daddy. Okay, I'm gonna feed the kids. Oh, this is clean. Roxy eat the whole thing because it's clear.
I let him out this morning. Very quiet. We're out there for a half hour, 40 minutes. I look outside. Rocky's sitting on the stone bench up there. The stone bench.
She sit in there.
She's up there sitting.
No. Oh my god. That's funny. Let's see. I'll show you the kid. Hi, good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning, yes. Good morning, baby boy. Good morning, my loves. Come here. Daddy let you out already? Daddy let you out, Rox? Daddy did? Daddy let you out? Out, out? How about you, Misty? Okay, get some food. Hi, Hubs. Get some food for the cat and food for the dog. Hi, Hubsy boy. He wants to be fed too. Okay, guys. Into you eat that food, cat food. Okay, okay, let's do something. Let's do something. Come here, Roxy, a lazy dog. You're a lazy dog. Come here. I'm a lazy dog. I'm a lazy dog. Come here. I'm a lazy dog. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're wet. Wants to go out. 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 Open now. Open now. Open now. She kisses you guys. Come here, Rox. Let's go out. Let's go out, baby. Let's go out. Crazy. They're always happy to go out, guys. Go. No, you're already out there. No, not Misty. Not over there. Misty! Moms, what do you want? She wants this, guys. I always throw her roll of the inside thing. Cried so much. What a baby. gosh! Good morning! Good morning from Mr. Hobbs. Good morning. Okay, we're waiting for Daddy, right? We're waiting for Dada. I love you. He doesn't like to be like that. He just lay down over there. Like, I'm just gonna stay here. Far, far away from you, Mama. Far, far away from you. Hi guys, I am back. My husband left a while ago and I'm going to make this. It's frozen. The refrigerator, the small refrigerator outside, it is very cold, make everything frozen. So what I'm going to do is, this is marinated pork belly. I'm gonna make it humba. Yeah, I'm gonna make a humba. I don't know how to do this. Let me see, try to defrost it a little bit. Defrost for 1 pound. It's just not even 1 pound. I know I have some sinugba kinilaw, a pork belly. I have that. My husband love it, so I'm not going to have that. He can have that for when he get home from work. Somebody asked me how long to take to process the visa. To be honest with you guys, a year and a half or almost 2 years. I think it's very long, because look what happened here. When I was my name is MaryAnn, right? No. And the MaryAnn turns out like MaryAnn. So but I've been using MaryAnn in my high school, and my baptismal is MaryAnn. Everything is MaryAnn. The MaryAnn is only in, like, in my birth certificate, because we never really show in the province that when you enroll or something like that. So when I get my birth certificate, my middle name is wrong, my family name is wrong, Matos, it's become Motos. And you know what? My father did it. Oh my god, it's different when you do it in the province. And my father just do it, like he doesn't even look at it. So Marian Motos, it's Matos is turned up Motos. So I registered it, cancel that thing, because it's not good. That record is not in the NCI. In that, it's not in NSO. It's not in NSO yet. So what we did is went back to the province, re-registered, and correct everything, and then that name we registered it to NSO, because, and then after that we wait for the NSO 3 months, 2 months, I think. After that, it takes forever, guys. Yeah, it's a year and a half, something like that. And yeah, it's really crazy, because everything is need to be changed. And yeah, so that's it, guys. And also I can't remember everything, guys, about I can't remember everything, guys, like the removal of condition, something, the papers that we process, me and my husband. I think it's a removal of condition. I fry it, and then I turn it over after, and then I will take it out from there, and I will put a new batch. I got some mango also, guys. This mango is so good. So good. I add vinegar, little vinegar, because this is not a lot. And then I load the fire and I won't stir it because it makes everything hard. It makes the meat very, very, you know, like chewy. So I just leave it like that, and I will let all the juice gone. And then because there is a fat, because it's a belly, pork belly, there is fat in there. So I'm just gonna keep cooking it, even though it's not water. The oil will cook it himself, and it's gonna be good. I'll show you later. This is what it looks right now. It's still boiling. Hi guys, I would like to say thank you to cookingfood.com. Hi, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for your comments, and also to Mkili and Maria Barq. I'm sorry sis if I don't pronounce it right. And also Biddy Boo and Shelwyn. Hi Shelwyn. Wayne. Also to Ima Magsico. Hi Ima Magsico. This is my first time, I think, seeing you comment on my video. Thank you guys so much for all your comments. Some of the comments, guys, go to spam, waiting for approval. I will look for them. And also to my new subscriber, guys, hold on. Thank you to M2Vamp. M2Vam, thank you for subscribing, sis. Thank you to Cherry Lou Abiliada, Black Flag 420. Thank you guys for subscribing. Hold on, seems like my thing is already, I can hear it like frying already. So that means there's no water. Yeah, it's frying in her own fat. Frying in their own fat, so there's no more water now. It's her own oil cooking it, and a lot of fat. And yeah, so see you later. And also thank you to Black Flag 420, and thank you to Miss Christy too. Hi Christy too, you look so pretty in your profile. I'm sure you are pretty. I'm sure you are very pretty. And thank you to Tiris Lasibal. Thank you to Laura. Thank you to True Love. Thank you to David Gates. Thank you to Minvi Pasino. Thank you for subscribing to Violet Anadelia. Thank you for subscribing Reaping Gaming. Thank you Juice Zoo. Thank you Delanti Vlog Show. Thank you. Thank you kapatid. Brilliant Cleaner Services, thank you. Aubrey J, thank you for subscribing. Hiroshi Ilaurza, thank you for subscribing. Jinilin Sarita and Hot Dog the Pikidi. This is so cute, the freaking dog. Isa Bacho, thank you. Grace Mudoled, thank you for subscribing, sis. Thank you to all of you. Piggy Moma, thank you Manal Sana. Thank you Eva Pilagio. Thank you Arlene Rica Frente. Thank you I don't care about you. Oh, thank you I don't care. Lawrence Closet 28. Thank you. As Jessica. I know it's Jessica Gonzales. Your name, I can read your name, guys. Hi Michelle Family Diary. Thank you for subscribing, sis. Thanks to all of you. Aisha Shalala, hi. Ricky Erickson and Philo in the Philippines. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I really appreciate I really appreciate all of you for subscribing my channel. And anyway, guys, I'm just gonna take this off because I can hear already like chugs, like the fat is flying. You see what it looks like, guys. It's so good. It's very tender. It's very tender, guys. Let me try this thing. It's very hot. Very little. Oh my god. It's so good. It's so good, guys. That vinegar in the end make a big difference. I put a lot of corn pepper. I grind it. So good too. It is very quick to upload video here. That was 26 minutes, and now it's 10 minutes. It's very quick. I just uploaded it. I'm just watching Dr. Phil. Bra speaking. Speaking about bra, I need a new bra. It's really true. I have a bra since I still have it right now. Since that bra since my first job in Cebu when I was working in Cebu. And yeah, I still have it. Very comfortable. I have not the one that I keep doing like this. The other brother is just strapless. Very comfortable, guys. Even though all the sides, it's ripped. Like everything is open up, everything. And there is a wire in there. All the wires is coming out. All I have to do is push it in the wall to bring it back in because it's coming out. That's how comfortable it is. I will show you. Only very little because it's embarrassing. But I'm not gonna throw it out. My husband keeps saying throw everything that's old and it's ripped like that. Very comfortable. No one's gonna look at me. I just wear it like just me and my husband here in the house, or I go driving. Just I know we're not going out somewhere like that. We're just like driving somewhere and nothing's going on. So I just wear that one. So I'm not gonna throw it out. It's very comfortable. I don't have to like. There's no strap that's coming down all the time. It's just stay here. Yeah. And it's not just that, guys. I have a lot of jeans. Frago. I really love Frago jeans. I always buy Frago in Robinson. Before it's not expensive. Now I think it's kind of pricey now, Frago in Robinson. So I have that a lot, and then even though it's a little tight on me, I'm not gonna giving up because I still believe in that I'm gonna go back to my original size before, size 0, and which is 24 in the Philippines. I think because I was 24 and in here I was size 0 when I get here. So yeah, so that's it. Bright story, old stuff. Ah, who wants to go out? Who wants to go out? Dad wants to go out. Wants to go out. Look. I'm ready to go to sleep, and my son is already in bed lying down. And yeah, so anyway, guys, good night. I will end this vlog now. It is already 9:21 p.m. So it's really bedtime now, bedtime. And yeah, so anyway, guys, thank you guys so much, all of you, for all your support. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Good night, guys.